Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find all accounts linked to your email address. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first thing is just open your browser and tap on this little icon of your profile, and here we need to click on manage your Google account, and once you are here click on security. Now scroll a bit and find the option for your connectivity to third-party apps and services, and now here we need to click on just see all connections. And yeah, there you go. As you can see, we are now able to see all of your accounts that are connected to your email address. So if you want to remove the particular one, you can just do that. So here are those applications who are sign in with your Google account, and this is the one who are having the access of your email address. So let's suppose I want to remove this one. So how I can do that? Just click on this little arrow, and here you will find the option for delete all connections with this company. So just click on this option and just click on confirm, and yeah, it is that simple to do this. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.